Are you tired of being weighed down by debt? Want to take control of your finances and finally achieve freedom from monthly payments? Today, we'll teach you how to create a debt payoff plan that works. The first step in creating a debt payoff plan is to list out all your debts. Write down the type of debt, the total amount owed, the interest rate, and the minimum payment. Add up the total amount of your debt to understand exactly where you stand. This number might feel overwhelming, but remember, this is your starting point. Next, prioritize your debts. Use the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. Debt snowball focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, while debt avalanche targets debts with the highest interest rates. Now, create a realistic budget. Identify areas where you can cut expenses and allocate more money toward debt repayment. Even small adjustments can make a big difference. Before aggressively paying off debt, build a small emergency fund, about $1,000. This acts as a safety net, so you don't need to rely on credit cards for unexpected expenses. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. This also helps reduce the stress of manually managing your debts. Consistency is key. Remember, paying off debt takes time and discipline. But each payment brings you closer to financial freedom. Congratulations! You've taken the first step toward eliminating debt. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal finance and building a brighter financial future.